Good morning, students. How are you? Today we'll study if first conditional. Let's start. What is the usage of first conditional? We use the first conditional to talk about something that is possible or may happen in the present or in the future. For example, if you study hard, you will get the high marks. Next, what is the form of the first conditional? The first conditional is formed by using two clauses. The first clause after if in present simple, then we put comma, and after comma we put the second clause by using will plus verb stem. For example, look at example number 2. If I save up enough money, I will buy a new car. Look at this example. In this example, we started with if, and after if, we put the first clause in present simple. I save up enough money. Then we put comma because we start with if at the beginning. So we put comma between two clauses. And after comma, we put the second clause by using will plus verb stem. I will buy a new car. So the sentence will be if I save up enough money, I will buy a new car. Look at example number 3. I will buy a new car if I save up enough money. This is the same example of number 2, but in this case we put if in the middle. If we wanted to put if in the middle, we will start with the second clause by using will plus verb stem. Then we put if in the middle, and after if, we put the first clause in present simple. So the answer will be I will buy a new car if I save up enough money. Next, look at example number 4. Read and correct. If you not eat lots of vegetables, you will not be healthy. So the answer will be if you don't eat lots of vegetables, you won't be healthy. Look at this example. We start with if, and after if we put the first clause in negative present simple because we have not. Then we put comma in the middle, and after comma we put the second clause by using will not plus verb stem or won't plus verb stem because we have not be. So the answer will be if you don't eat lots of vegetables, you won't be healthy. Look at example number 5. Read and correct. If the weather be nice, we go fishing. Look at the first clause. If the weather be nice, be means that you will use am is are. So the answer will be if the weather is nice, and in the second clause we will use will plus verb stem. We will go fishing. So the answer will be if the weather is nice, we will go fishing. Now we are going to answer some exercises together. Look at number 1. If your teacher space train you to play the drums, you space take part in the festival. Yeah. So the answer will be if your teacher trains very good because we put the first clause in present simple. Look at the second clause. You will take part in the festival. Very good because in the second clause we use will plus verb stem. Look at the second question. Question number 2. If the driver not stop, he space hit the tree. Yes, the answer will be if the driver doesn't stop. Very good, because we have not, so we will use the first clause in negative present simple. Look at the second clause. The answer will be he will hit the tree. Very good. Look at number 3. Use space understand the lessons. If you space listen carefully. In this question, we will use if in the middle. So we'll start with the second clause by using will plus verb stem. Very good. So the answer will be you will understand the lessons if you, yes, very good, if you listen carefully. And after if, we use the first clause in present simple. So the answer will be you will understand the lessons if you listen carefully. Look at question number 4. If Mona is best not be here, she is best not know the story. So the answer will be if Mona, very good, isn't here, we will use verb to be in negative because we have not. And we will use verb to be in present and in negative. So the answer if Mona isn't here. The second clause will be she won't know the story because we have not, so we will use won't plus verb stem. She won't know the story. Number 5. What space you tell John if his space ask you? In this question, we will use if in the form of question. So after the word question, what we will use, and you will put the second clause in the form of question. So the answer will be what will you tell John if he, very good, if he asks you. And after if, we put the first clause in present simple. With this question, we have finished. Thank you for your listening and goodbye. Bye bye. Thank you. Hoping you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye.